again, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Mike, the FX boss, and this is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101. Happy Monday! How is everybody? As always, if you want to be happy Monday to you. If you want to be a professional trader, this course is for you. If you want to be a funded trader, talking about funded trader, we have another partner starting from this week. It's called Search Trader. So this course is for you. If you want to be a hedge fund trader at trading.com, this course is for you. Alright, trading is a learnable skill. And never forget, you're going to graduate from this course when number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have a strategy in place. You understand how probabilistic thinking affects your strategy. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an adequate prediction. Please disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn. Alright. Also never forget, 90% of people lose money at trading worldwide, right? And for questions and homeworks, you have my Gmail and Skype, right? For the Fibonacci mastery, just an example. Alright everybody, bullish market structure but downtrend. Alright, so let's open everybody GBP NZD daily chart. Is GBP NZD daily chart? Alright. Tell me everybody, how are you going to make money out of GBP NZD daily chart? Should you buy or should you sell? There is no right or wrong. What do you think? So the lesson today is bullish market structure. Market structure is the synonym of market wave, but downtrend. Alright? So how should you trade? I mean, there is no right or wrong, of course, but how should you trade if this is the weekly chart, right? Looking here, weekly chart. So extension, retracement, extension, retracement so far. Can you say it everybody? Real life chart example for the beginner trader. There you go. Now if I go on the daily, right? And exactly, the key word is called probabilities. There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong, but if this is the daily chart, if you are going to buy, you are going to have one kind of probability, and if you're going to sell, maybe not right now, it's a bullish candle, you are going to have a different type of probability. Let's make a poll. What do you think, everybody? If you buy, to have a better chance, should you buy or should you sell? There is no right or wrong. Should you buy or should you sell? YouTubers too? Lucas Copy Academy YouTube students on YouTube, what do you think? Hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader Sync, hedge fund trader 4K, hedge fund trader Ernesto, hedge fund trader Daniel, hedge fund trader Sandy. Brought up by Candlestick Formation. If you buy, you have a better chance or lower chance? Hedge fund trader Broto, what do you think? Do you have a better chance or a lower chance if you buy? There is no right or wrong. What do you think? Remember, this is the big picture. The yellow is bullish market structure, and inside this market structure you have the market structure trends. Right? Alright, now this bullish yellow, I have no idea. Fair enough, fair enough. Thanks for being honest. The bullish is the market structure on the weekly, right? We just did this. We went on the weekly and we said, alright, this is the chart. The Forex market, it's no brainer. I mean, it's not a secret, right? And trading is a learnable skill. So far we are here right now. That's the yellow one. And from the weekly yellow one, we go back to the daily. And we have bullish market structure, but downtrend. And there is a bullish candle shooting up. Who remembers bulls, bears, points? Probability, let's write this down. To understand probability, you must understand bulls, bears, points. Probability is a game between bulls and bears points, and it really is. To understand probability, you must understand bulls, bears, points, and probability is a game between bulls and bears. Now, Broto, work with me, alright? How is the market wave? Is it up or down? Hedge fund trader Broto, is the market wave on the weekly the market structure? I changed vocabulary because I call market structure now the monthly band, so I call this market wave. Or I shouldn't. Maybe next year, we're going to call market structure the monthly bands with the yellow. Sideways. No, it's not sideways. Relevant low, relevant high, relevant low, relevant high, relevant low. Is this sideways to you? Don't be shy, we are here to learn. Don't be shy, everybody, we are here to learn. Down. Is higher high, higher low down? Somebody said down. Is it down? Or is the market making higher highs, higher lows? Up, exactly. So this is up, right? But remember, this is on the weekly, all right? So out, 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 out. So it's bullish market structure. Alright, now what about the market wave on the daily chart? Do you see everybody extension, retracement, extension, retracement? Do we agree that extension, retracement, extension on the daily is down? Do we agree that the violet has, this is the high, this is the low, this is the lower high on the daily, this is the lower low on the daily, and the last time the market tried to push up, it made a lower high again. Do we agree? Do we agree? YouTubers too, students on YouTube, Dukascope Academy, do we agree that GBP NZD daily chart is down? Down on daily. And if you, when you zoom in the chart, if you connect high and low, low to high, low to high, high to low, high to low, low to high, high to low, aren't we in a short-term downtrend too, the red one? Do we agree we are in a short-term downtrend on the red one too? We have an up market structure. Remember, the yellow one is from the weekly. So up market wave, up market structure, right? But then from the daily, you know, on the daily chart, you have a down market wave, high to low, low to high, and you have also a short-term downtrend, which is the red. Agreed? So if you buy this candle today, and let's not forget it's still moving, is this a high probability trade or is this a low probability trade? Hedge fund trader Broto, is this a high probability trade or is this a low probability trade? And everybody else online too, you can participate, YouTubers too. Is this a high probability trade or is this a low probability trade? If you say high, I'm going to ask you based on what? And if you say low, I'm going to ask you based on what? Hedge fund trader Broto, what do you think? Buying this candle, is this a high probability trade or is this a low probability trade? You need to, everybody, I know, you need to, this is the key, right? You need to understand the text. High probability, based on what? Some of you have issues, everybody, with trading as an analyst. Alright? You must get the skill of understanding what is the driving force. What is the driving force? Candle is just one indicator or tool. Make sense, everybody? Is anybody online who thinks, oh, me buying this candle, it's a low probability trade? If you buy this candle and you put the stop loss down in here, this is one, but if you not right now, but if you short the market and you put the stop loss up in here, example, let's say that you are trading the short term, let's say that you are trading the red, or maybe you are trading the violet. Now this is something different, agreed everybody? There is, boss, but there is no right or wrong, agreed? There is no right or wrong, but going long and going short have different probabilities. Broto says going long, it's a high probability. Based on what? Candle. Candle is just one indicator, one tool. Hedge fund trader Broto, let's try to understand this, everybody. This is the learnable skill, alright? If I buy the daily candle right now, am I going I'm going with the short-term trend, or am I going against the short-term trend? Is that simple? This is something that 90% of you is not doing. Bulls, yeah, I have a camera in your office, right? Or home office, I have a camera, I'm spying on you. And those are bears. 90% of you are not doing this at all, and the rest is not doing this for enough long time. Brotos is against. So, point for the bulls or the bears? Bulls. Bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle. Everybody, you don't need to overcomplicate. It's really simple like it is right now, makes sense? Bulls, bullish candle, alright, bears. Short term downtrend, red. Alright? Alright. Now, if you buy the bullish candle, are you going with or are you going to against the daily market wave? How is this position? The violet. Is the violet making higher highs, higher lows, or is the violet making lower lows, lower highs? This is what you must learn, exactly. This is what you must learn. Got it? Not sure. In the Forex course Chochu, everybody, you are going to learn that not every trade is the same. Yes, this could be a retracement trade. So retracements are riskier, right, than extensions. Short-term downtrend. Typo. Left click, right click. Short-term downtrend. And down market wave, exactly, down market wave, down market wave, down market wave, violet, down market wave, right? Now, what about trend lines? What about trend lines? When you buy the bullish candle, how is the trend line? The uptrend line is this, right? A trend line is a tool that confirms the trend. So, are the bulls winning with the uptrend line, or are the bears winning with the downtrend line? Downtrend line, exactly. Point for the bears. Downtrend line. Are you buying at past support? The daily this applies, yes, for everybody. This knowledge you should apply to all time frames. So if you buy the market right now, bullish candle, are you buying past resistance or are you buying past support? What are you buying? Past resistance, boss. Thank you very much. Downtrend line, and you are buying. So we are not going to say you are buying, but we are at past resistance. This is the timing for bears. Past resistance, resistance, resistance. Past resistance. Bears. But the market wave is up. Yes, on the weekly, right? The weekly market wave is up. But how to understand the weekly market wave? Bullish market structure. So bullish market structure on the weekly. So if you buy the candle Brotto based on what you see, based on bulls, bears, points, is this a high probability trade or is this a low probability trade? Everybody take a screenshot, photo with the cell phone, whatever, type in the chat done. YouTubers too. Low, exactly, very good. Congratulations. Is this that difficult, everybody? Boss, but I don't have time to do all of this. I'm on the 15-minute chart. Go on the higher time frame. Get skilled, then if you want, push back down to the 15-minute. In the Forex course too, you're going to learn about that you have a personality, and for you to make money, your personality must be in synergy with who you are. And it's not true that the smaller time frames make more money. Alright? It's a myth, everybody. Not true. What is true then? The smaller time frames are quicker, right, in terms of swings, entry and exit, alright? In terms of stop loss, entry, stop loss and take profit, the smaller the time frame, the quicker it gets. But this doesn't mean that you're going to make more money. How many of you are on the smaller time frames? 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart, crazy? 30-minute chart? Even 1 hour, because you believe, oh, I'm going to make more money quicker or faster. it's proven not to be true. Does this make sense to everybody? No, I'm not saying that it's wrong. I'm just saying that maybe you are on the 15-minute chart or 1 hour chart, but your personality is a swing trader personality, and you can measure this and do some tests to figure out who you are, alright? More in the Forex course too, exactly. Hedge fund trader Broto, did you yes, screenshot photo? Everybody can move forward, type in the chat. YouTubers too, please. Type in the chat, all good. What you are seeing right now, it's a skill, everybody. You must train this. 90% of you online, and I know I have a camera in your office. You are not doing this. And for the 10 who are, you are not doing this enough. You believe, oh, I got it. What's that, boss? Bulls and bears points. Thank you very much. Broto says done. To understand probability, when you form your strategy too, everybody, to understand probability, you must understand bulls, bears, points. Probability is a game between bulls and bears. So, now this is what we're trying to understand throughout this course. You can buy this candle, it's a low probability trade, and you can win, and you can short a bearish candle, and you can lose. Make sense, everybody? That's the bad news. Boss, can you repeat, please? Now let's try to understand something. If probability is a game between bulls and bears, and I have 4 points for the bears and 2 points for the bulls, then I have a better chance to short. Agreed? Agreed, alright. But sometimes I'm going to short the market and I'm going to lose. That's the bad news. What is the good news? If you trade on a demo account first, with this knowledge that you understand that probability is a game between bulls and the bears, you are going to short the market and you are not going to win, meaning you are going to lose, but you cannot lose 7 times out of 10. Make sense? Meaning if you play this game, for the lack of a better word, it's not a game, it's a profession. If you play the financial game with this understanding of probabilities, I promise you, you can call me out or ask for help or whatever, you are going to win 7 times out of 10. When you understand multiple time frame trading, this gets to 8 times out of 10. Would you like to win, everybody, 8 times out of 10? Would you like to win every 10 trades? Would you like to win 8 times out of 10? 7 times out of 10? Would you like this? I'm telling you, it's a learnable skill. But there is some work to be done, right? There is some work. And you measuring or writing down bulls and bears points every trade before you enter the market, this is the work. So build your, everybody, it's no-brainer. So homework starting from today, build your, it's called the pre-trade, it's called the pre-trade checklist. Build your pre-trade checklist before you enter any trades. Build your pre-trade checklist with bull and bear points, and use it, trade with it. Have somebody accountable for it. Alright, everybody? You could build a pre-trade checklist with bull and bear points before you enter. Before you enter any trades, and use it, trade with it, have somebody accountable for it. How to do it? Well, we just did. Make sense? You don't need to, no, you don't need to overcomplicate. Yes, could be in the Word document, could be Excel, or with the old guys, we have pen and paper, right? With the non-digital. You know, if you're 40 plus, you are from the century we used pen and paper. The stone and the chisel, right? The chisel and the stone. No, you don't need to overcomplicate. It could be something simple like, alright, so you have here the trading time frame. Alright, you have the trading time frame and you have the confirmation time frame. Alright? And here you go, you have STT, short-term trend, candlestick formation, market wave, support / resistance / pivot points. TL stands for trend line. No, counter trend line break, it's a timing tool. You don't need to overcomplicate, everybody, make sense? Alright. Now, if I'm trading GBP NZD daily chart and I want to buy the candle, right? So, and this is the pre-trade checklist, so trading time frame, I want to buy the candle, so I'm a bull, I'm bullish, I want to buy. Trading time frame, do I have a short-term trend up? So it's a no. It's a no. Candlestick formation, bullish, it's a yes. Even though it's forming. Market wave is down, so for me being bullish, it's a no-go. No. I want to buy, I'm bullish. Am I at support or resistance? Resistance, so for me to buy, it's a no. No. And the trend line is down, so it's a no. Make sense, everybody? This pre-trade checklist is going to help you to be more objective when you enter the market based on what you see. And not being subjective, right? You are busy, engaged, you come home from the job, profession, or you're a businessman, and you go straight to the chart and you say, oh, there is a bullish candle, let's buy, this is going to make money. Well, if you are going to use the pre-trade checklist, you are not going to make money on this sucker 7 times out of 10 if you buy. Alright? Confirmation time frame, well, it's the weekly, you can do this too. Clone chart, weekly, out, weekly. Give me a second, everybody. So this is the weekly chart, out. So back. One more. There you go. Now this is the weekly, right? How is the short-term trend on the weekly? And you want to buy. Short-term trend, if you ask me, high to low, low to... This is a high, but it's not a low. Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. So, confirmation time frame, short-term trend, to buy, it's a no. So it's a no. How is the candlestick formation? It's the weekly, well, alright, bullish pressure, sure, fair enough. It's a yes. Market wave yellow, it's a yes too. Clone, it's a yes too. So short-term trend. Support, resistance, pivot point. Are we with any past support? Well, maybe here. So it's a yes. Give me a second. It's a yes. So short-term trend, this was from the confirmation time frame, candlestick formation, it was a yes. Clone. Yes. Market wave on the daily, it's a no. That's a no. Support and resistance, it's a no. And trend line, it's a no. Confirmation time frame, short-term trend, it's a no. Candlestick formation, maybe yes. Market wave, it's a yellow one, it's a yes. Support resistance, maybe in here it's a yes. Trend line, it's a no. This was the trading time frame. Trading time frame. So on the daily, if you want to buy the daily chart, it's a no. If you want to buy the weekly chart, it's what? High probability, more or less, or a big probability? YouTubers too? Students on YouTube? Lucas Copy Academy, what do you think? If you're on the daily chart, it's what's the decision? Talking about probabilities. If I buy the daily chart, because there is a bullish candle, this is one, and if I buy this bullish candle too on the weekly, how is the probability? This is the essential skill, everybody, in learning probabilities, bulls and bears points, and it's a skill. It has nothing to do with how old you are, how yellow, black, white, blue you are. It doesn't matter if you're a Christian or a Buddhist or any religion. It doesn't matter if you're 5 or 55. It's a learnable skill. It doesn't matter if you live in Croatia, Thailand, Finland or Alaska. It doesn't matter if you have 1 cat at home or 10 dogs. It doesn't matter if you are earning 1,000 or 100 millions. This is the skill. This is the essential skill on how to understand probabilities. Talk to me, everybody. Does this make sense to you? And remember, if you do this, this is the process. If you can continually doing this in the right way, then you are going to start to lose less and start making more. Does this make sense to you? Now, how people lose money even with this knowledge, right? Say, oh yeah, I can understand this, not a big deal. So how students, how not beginner, but how an intermediate trader loses money, he or she goes on the daily chart, he or she knows that it's a low probability trade, he or she is going to buy this candle, you know, because from the weekly has a better chance, but he or she is going to put the stop loss below the candle on the weekly. And when he or she loses on the weekly, he or she is going to say, oh, this doesn't work. Can you relate to this, everybody? Can you relate to this? Now, why this happens? What's the phenomena? Who knows? YouTubers choose students on YouTube. Who knows what's the phenomena behind this? I'm going to go and buy this candle and put the candle down, and the market is going to stop me out. Why this happened? Boss, I don't get it. Who is stronger? Is the trend stronger or is the candle stronger? Who is stronger? Is the market wave stronger compared to anything else? Is the short-term trend stronger compared to anything else? Are the trend lines stronger? Wrong stop loss. Not true. I'm trading the candlestick formation. It's a tradable pattern. See, everybody, how this works? The misunderstanding of this skill. It's not the stop loss, it's not wrong. I could buy or sell candlestick formation. Those are tradable patterns. I lost because I got lower probability. Who is stronger, the short-term trend or the candle or the candlestick formation? We've learned some rules. In an uptrend, I'm going to only buy bullish candlestick formations and never, ever, 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 ever sell bearish. It's a rule from Forex course 101. In a downtrend, I'm going to sell bearish candlestick formation and never, ever, ever, ever buy. What did I do? I bought a downtrend. Make sense, everybody? You need to take in consideration this as a whole. not just one candle or one market wave or one past support. You need to take everything in consideration. Type in the chat, does this make sense to you? Now look how this is going to reverse. So this is the market on the daily. What if you have this candle when the market crowned, made a hard high up in here? The market made a higher high on the red, and greater, even better probability one if the market made a higher high on the violet. Can you see how these probabilities reverses immediately? So if the market reverses the market wave on the daily, this is going to reverse what on the weekly? Exactly, the short-term trend. It goes like this. So candlestick formation, and also the short-term trend becomes a yes. Can you see it, everybody? One simple differential from the price action transforms in different money equation, if you want. If you buy the bullish candle right now, you are going against the short-term trend. If you buy the bullish candle up here, you are going with the trend. Does this make sense? Yeah, sure. You have also timing tools. Are you buying a candlestick formation when it's at the end of retracement, or are you buying a candlestick formation when it's in an extension? This is called timing. Why? Because the market must retrace. If you buy a bullish candlestick formation at past support, you have one probability. If you buy bullish candlestick formation at end of extension, or maybe it's still an extension, you know, this has a different probability. You must expect extension, retracement, extension. This lesson is worth downloading from Duca's Copy Academy and go through it a few times. Alright, everybody, so homework, if you want, build your pre-trade checklist with bulls and bear points, and before you enter any trades, and use it. Trade with it, have somebody accountable for it that you can show. In the Forex course 202, we are giving you the pit bulls. You got a pit bull. Alright, everybody, we have a new partner. It's called Search Trader. Alright? If you're interested in trading is an asset manager, alright? Darwin X, I believe it's 2. Search, it's a prop firm. Alright? If you want a discount code 10% off, send me an email. MikeFXBoss@gmail.com. Alright? Oh, I want to buy Search Trader, give me the code. Darwin X, give me the code. Trading, you don't buy anything, it's your account. It's a little bit different. Alright, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to start with Fibonacci's. Wow. If I'm not mistaken. Tomorrow we start with the Fibonacci. Fibonacci has a tradable edge. Fibonacci wins 7 times out of 10, statistically proven. Alright? Until tomorrow, stay strong everybody and approach the market like a boss, because you are the boss of your account, never forget it.